guys, we are back again. Yes, with the sixth puzzle. 6 out of 8. This one is a binary puzzle number 2. This will be number 1563 in the additional of today's newspaper of Friday, September the 18th, 2020. Yes, this one, a binary puzzle. What kind of a binary puzzle is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And then between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Wow. Am I stuck? 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. 3 O's in this column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 4 O's in this column. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 4 O's in this column. So the rest are ones. Then 3 ones in this row. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. So this can be a 1. This should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Alright. Then need to compare? Yeah, I need to compare. Alright, let me see. This column and that column. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box, 1, 1. So I need to switch these two numbers. If I don't switch, then and I place a 1 and an O, then we have identical columns. Not allowed. Identical columns or rows are not allowed. One of the rules. So we have 1 here. This should be an O. We have O there. This should be a 1. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Then we have 2 columns. Need to compare again. 1, 01. Do we have a 101 here? No. Do we have a 10? 010. Do we have a 010 here? 010. No. So we need to compare these two rows. Double 100. Yes, this one and that one. 1 empty box. So I need to switch those two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O there, this should be a 1. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finish in 5 minutes again. Thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 2 Sudokus left. Those are tectonic number 1 and tectonic number 2. See you later. Bye bye for now.